Pranams everyone. Today we are going to look at Siddhasana and Asana. So, how do we get into this posture? Sit with your legs stretched forward. Fold the right leg at the knee and bring the heel to the perineum. Perineum is the spot between your anal outlet and your genital outlet. So, bring the heel at this spot. It has to gently apply pressure at the spot. Don't press it too much. It has to just touch that spot. Fold the left leg and place this left foot on top of the right leg like this. So these toes, the left toes, will rest in that gap between the right thigh and the right calf muscle. The left knee will either be down or resting like this. It will slightly stay in the air if the left hip is not fully opened up. If it stays up in the air, use a blanket, fold it into two and place it under the knee so that it doesn't start to create pain after a while. As the hip starts to open, it will stretch and it will rest down like this. Clear? Ensure that the heel presses the perineum, and this is Siddhasana. There are many advanced variations of this which we need not get into. Once when we asked Shriyam about this asana and a variation which can be practiced by all, this is the variation that he had recommended, where you simply place the leg on top of the right leg. If this is difficult for you, where the bone starts to press against the ankle and it starts to create pain, then simply place this left leg down on the floor in front of the right leg. This is also okay to start with. With practice, you can slowly lift it up and place it on top of the right leg. As your hip starts to open up, you will observe that both the heels will align. That is, the left heel will sit on top of the right heel like this. Okay, then there is no pain in the ankle, the knee is fully resting on the floor, and the spine also remains straight. This is Siddhasana. What do you do with your hands? Place them on the knees, palms facing upwards, or stay in Chin Mudra like this. According to Hatha Yoga Pradipika, this is considered as the king of asanas and the recommended asana for doing any meditation or especially Kriya meditation. This asana is recommended. I hope Siddhasana is clear. Now, the only difference between Siddhasana and Siddha Yoga Asana is when men perform this asana and when the heel touches the perineum, it is called Siddhasana. When women perform this asana, the heel is pressed at the entrance of the vagina and the left leg is placed very similar to the Siddhasana practice, either on top of the right leg or on the floor. So when women perform this asana with this variation, it is called Siddha Yoga Asana. No other difference. Ensure the corrections of Sukhasana are maintained here. That is, your spine has to be straight. Don't lean forward or don't lean back. Keep your shoulders and arms relaxed. Please spend some time in this asana for a few days. If this asana is comfortable for you and it comes naturally, this is one of the best asanas to pick for any meditation practice. Some contraindications to remember: if anyone is suffering with sciatica or has any injuries in the knee, better to skip this practice. Sit on a chair and meditate. Once you are comfortable, then get into this asana. I hope this was beneficial. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.